Hey guys, welcome here. Today I'm making another video, but I'll be showing you how to fix a problem like you guys, like kids who are new computers, and like your screen's black and white. See, and you don't know how that happens, and you start flipping out. All you have to do, you go to this button. Click flash, then click this. Look, see, type up this, and this at the very top. This will be there, so you click on that. Then you type up color. Then turn off colors, filters, and on or off. See, it's on, but turn it off. Then boom, the colors are back. So yeah, that's a really short tutorial video. So yeah, hope that helps you out. Comment below if you had that problem. So yeah, bye, and tell me I'll move that help you a lot for people who are new computers. So yeah, bye.